Hello my sweetie pies, that's Martisha C and welcome to my channel. Small information about how to make your Instagram much interesting and growing up like an artist in Instagram. Please subscribe. Don't forget about likes and write me your opinion in the comments. So let's discuss a little bit. For this year I founded 5,000 people who love my artworks and they following me. A lot of clients I found it because of the Instagram, so I really recommended Instagram like the main platform for selling your artworks, to showing the people what you're a creator, and this is really necessary. And this is very important. I'm mixing my traveling photos with my artworks. You see what I make myself like the black and white canvas. Me like an artist already behind of my paintings. You need to find your unique style of presentation of your page and your artworks. You need to talk a little bit with the people. You need to show them what you're creating. Write what is selling. Your bio need to be grammatic. Because you know, it's the ACO working like that when the first line under your name should have specific words. For example, in my case, it's abstract art for selling. Because of the system, you know, if somebody wanted to find artwork for selling, they found me. So yeah, this is how I'm finding clients sometimes. Before I was working a little bit on that way, like mass following, but just from the beginning. But right now I'm trying to create an organic way, advertise myself by groups, art groups, art pages, some bloggers. And of course, right now I started my YouTube channel. I think, well, this is very, very important. If you're creating something physical, you need to have Instagram page and you need to have YouTube. So let's see, I'm just a beginner. I don't have a lot of experience on that, but I'm super smart and I believe in luck. Quality of video content and photo for your Instagram. I'm not talking right now about quality of your artworks. I'm talking right now exactly about quality of the presentation. Please, please, can you just doing something with your photo before you're posting it? Because it's about respect. It's about respect. When we're talking about the quality of the content, it's about respect. How respectful you are to your subscribers. So the video content and the quality of photos supposed to be number one on your Instagram page, on your shop, or on your YouTube. Even if you're doing everything by yourself, as me, I'm spending a lot of time to create my content, to create my photo, to give people a normal result of that what I'm doing. So please just work on the contrast and saturation. So that's just the normal things. A lot of artists, they making a post almost every day, but I'm doing only 3 times on the week. It's very good for Instagram. Thank you for watching my video. My Instagram is Martisha in the Sea, and I have Etsy shop with my incredible artworks, Martisha C. Don't forget to be happy and don't forget to be yourself, my sweetie pies. So jump into my world. Goodbye.